Hello, world. Ryan here, sharing some thoughts from the road, same job, different uniform. Load, locate, deliver, record, repeat. Hopefully, we learn something together, or at least kill some time. Brounland Road, Brownland, West Virginia, Coal River-side of Kanawha County, one of those names that exists on a road sign and almost nowhere else. The Coal River corridor was busy country 100 years back. The mines were running, coal moving by rail and water, communities like this springing up to hold the workforce. Most of them never grew past their original size, and a lot of them shrank when the easy coal stopped being easy. What's left is the names, the roads, and the families that decided to stay. Some because they wanted to, some because they had to. Both reasons are real, and I don't separate them when I drive through here. Brounland is a connective place. It isn't a destination, but it's how you understand how this part of WV actually fits together. The river was here first, the coal came up, the road came after, the name stayed. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.